How are you doing? What's going on over there?
I don't know.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren, and today I have a super special second time guest.
Me!
Josh!
Me,
Peck!
Josh Peck. Here I am, ready to DIY it up.
I love the enthusiasm. So today we're gonna be doing a gingerbread house because I feel like that's like a thing I do every year. Have you ever eaten one of these?
They're never great.
They're so bad.
So bad.
They're so bad.
Not good.
But I do love decorating them. And I was like, what can we do to make this like a little more fun? So we both have a half of the house to decorate.
You know what I was thinking?
What were you thinking?
We only do gingerbread houses during the holidays.
Right.
But maybe we do it during the summer and we decorate a gingerbread beach house.
Wow, I love that.
Right?
Come back in 8 months for an August version of this where we decorate a beach house.
Gingerbread beach house.
Yeah. So to make this a little more interesting, a little more fun, and a little more struggly, I've decided that I would like to do this blindfolded.
Oh, good.
Great.
Yes.
You may choose your cover, a little Do Not Wake Me. This is a YouTube bandana.
Ooh, okay, because I thought it was from a gang.
I have a really small head.
I have a massive one.
Do you have a massive head?
Huge.
Your poor mother.
Huge.
Oh man.
I know.
So we've got a box full of candy. You also have a Christmas tree and a gingerbread man.
It's a person?
It's a person.
Doesn't have to be a
right,
man.
It's not a man. You're right. It's 2018.
Yeah.
We are gender fluid. We are open.
Yes.
I ate all of my Christmas mini eggs already, so I'm already at a disadvantage.
I just want to give you guys a behind the scenes sneak peek because Lauren saw what are they, Cadbury?
Yeah, they're Cadbury mini eggs.
And she was like, what? We have those? Yes.
That's exactly what it looked like. And that was honestly a very realistic replay of what happened.
Thank you.
And then I destroyed all of mine. I have about 8 left and Josh has about 25.
Yeah, I just have an entire little box of goodness here, which I don't want to get you guys too hyped, but we're doing well.
So you got a bag of icing, got 2 things to decorate, half a house.
A house or a how? Sorry. I know it's your channel. You know, I'm going to walk off too. I just love your Canadian accent.
All right, panda on. Wow, you know what? I already hate this. I already hate this a lot. Where's my icing? Are you looking?
No, I am so blindfolded right now, and I didn't really understand what we were gonna do.
Yeah.
And now that it's complete darkness,
Right, the reality is much more terrifying.
it's going to be so difficult.
Okay, here we go, here we go.
Are we just jumping in?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think this is gonna be a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Okay.
I don't even know what are you eating right now? What'd you choose?
Nothing.
I'm gonna do us a favor and do the top of the roof.
On your side.
Kind of in the middle, is that okay?
So what do I do?
You can start with your gingerbread man or the roof on your side.
I'm gonna do my man.
No, our
Person.
Am I icing? Not really?
I mean,
Oh,
no.
this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. Is it coming out?
Yeah, but on his side, you're cheating. Oh, there you go.
Is it doing it?
Yeah.
Wow, this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Do you love the holidays?
I love the holidays.
Do you?
I have had my house decorated since the day after Thanksgiving. Here's the thing is that Canadian Thanksgiving is much earlier in the year. So there's really nothing, there's really nothing standing in between me and Christmas after Halloween. But
Right.
Americans get really mad at me when I go really early. Now, how do we look? How does it look?
Blind.
Is my icing upside down? Yep. Oh, this is really difficult.
I feel like I'm crushing it, but that might just be my high opinion of myself.
Yeah, I'm definitely not.
So I used to do this as a kid, but I would eat all of it, and then I'd just be like, we're just gonna go minimalist in the house.
We're going for the minimalist look.
It's modern. I'm not overweight. It's just modern.
Now, how am I looking? How's my coverage?
It's covering.
I think we just go for like a,
Hey.
I lost a gumball.
Oh, that's another one.
If we wind up holding hands, it's because we're blindfolded, guys. Don't tell my
Paige,
wife.
I promise I'm not coming for your man. You have a child on the way.
Yes.
How we doing? Did anything stick? Oh, I feel
All
a
of it
few.
stick, yeah.
Oh, it's stuck. She's stuck. Wait, also, we just breezed right over that. Josh, you have a child on the way.
I have a baby human that I created, but that's gonna be half of me. Oh dear God.
Wow, that's fun. How do we feel?
Nervous, scared, excited, can't go back.
Nope.
Questioning every decision I made up to this point, and
Right.
also wondering who let me be in charge of a human. It's gonna be the first live stream birth on YouTube. So
Wow.
excited.
Does Paige know?
She will. When
Got
she
it.
sees me with my
Got
phone,
it.
like, you're doing great, babe.
Good job, sweetie.
Oh my
Gosh.
God, your body will never be the same. Should I jump in on this house?
Yeah, I would say that my half does not look great. Matt, how's it looking?
Looks good.
Looks good? Great. That sounded like with confidence. I have dropped so much candy on my lap. Am I on the Christmas tree?
Yeah.
LAUR,
Josh Peck.
will you trust me?
Yeah, on what?
Put your head back.
Oh my God, what are you gonna put my mouth?
And just, I'm gonna try, I'm feeling around. Okay. Am I hot or cold?
In.
In?
Oh my god, is it sour? Yes! I love these things.
Right?
I think you give me at least 3.
I'm pretty sure.
This is like kind of a mukbang, right?
Yeah.
Is it bang or bong?
I thought it was Bang. I mean, I think it's Mukbang. You think I know more because that's like kind of
That's
on
like
my
your
channel.
channel, right?
Okay, so will you tell me the Christmas routine at the DIY household?
Oh
Like,
my gosh.
What does it look like?
I think that worked really well. I just like dunked, oh, maybe not actually. I actually have a really cute Christmas situation. We do steak and lobster on Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
And then Christmas morning, we open presents. Or no, we open stockings, get a coffee, we do a Starbucks run.
The Starbucks workers, they're there all
Oh,
year.
bless their
Yes.
good hearts. Oh
They
my
don't have
god.
families.
On Christmas morning. Oh my god. I hope they get paid like quadruple time and a half. And then we go downstairs and do our Christmas tree. Now that I have a puppy, he gets to open presents too.
What?
Yeah, we take our family photo. Actually, it's at my house this year with my cousins and my grandma, and we do more presents. We do turkey, the whole 9 yards. It's pretty nuclear, to be honest.
What does that mean?
Like, you know, like when you hear of like nuclear families.
I hear that, and that's one of those words where I go, You know when you just hear a word and you just agree because you don't have the guts to be like, what the heck are you saying?
Yeah, what are you saying? Yeah, it just means that like my parents are still together.
Bragger. Only your parents are happy.
Okay. What's your Christmas look like?
It looks like nothing because I'm Jewish.
Oh, I just knocked a freaking gumball off. There used to be 4 gumballs up here now, and now there's only 3. So 1 at some point is gone. Should we get like a 10-second break to see what we need to work on?
Listen, you're the queen. If you decide yes, I say yes.
Maybe not. Maybe we just do a big reveal at the end.
I say no.
Okay. Matt, what needs work?
The roof, the sides,
All of it.
and
Great.
yeah.
I'm doing sort of like an airhead sour tape shingles
Oh,
strips.
that's smart. I forgot we had those.
And now I'm just doing like a nice terracotta facade gumdrop topping thing.
Okay. When I have eyeballs, I'm really good at adding icicles to the side of the house, so maybe I'll try that. Also, we have nothing on the front. Maybe I'll add some stuff on the front. That's my person?
That's your person.
Why does he have so much icing on him?
When you dipped.
I dipped on him. When I dip, you dip, we dip. Okay, maybe I'll decorate him while I'm here. Are you dancing?
No,
That felt like a bench movement situation.
that was just my high blood pressure.
God.
I'm dying. Would that be an amazing way to end this video?
If you died?
Yeah, like Josh Peck / video.
Honestly,
they-
if you didn't have a child on the way, I could make a joke out of it, but you have a child on the way.
It's a good point.
How do we look? How'd the dip thing work?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I mean, it dipped.
After Christmas,
Yeah.
what's your favorite holiday?
Halloween for sure.
Right. Now, are you like, I wear a panda onesie on Halloween?
Oh, no,
I wear
no.
like super cute police officer? Like,
Oh,
what?
no. Like, do we get a little naked on Halloween? Is that what you're asking?
Yes.
Yeah, right. Okay, got it. This year I was Ariana Grande, circa Dangerous Woman,
Okay, what does that mean?
where she had the black bunny ears.
Ah,
Yeah. I found the other gumball.
I'm so glad. You gotta think like,
Hot or cold?
Cold. Getting warmer.
thank you.
Oh, there you go.
2 fell off?
Yeah, this is bad. So,
I hate this. I've never wanted my vision back more than right now.
are you good at being messy? Because I'm not. I mean, you're a female, so it's different. I feel like you like to get done up a little bit, but like,
Yeah.
I don't like having makeup on my face.
Oh.
I don't like having anything in my hair. Like, I'm natural. I don't wear jewelry. I like just to be free, unencumbered.
Oh, no. I like to be encumbered. Do you think we're done? I want to be done soon. Or how are you doing?
I think we're done.
My patience is running low.
This is so hard. Why don't we do one more minute and then maybe we look at it and we try to salvage what's left of it. I'm just making icing shingles right now.
Icing shingles?
No, it sounds like a disease. I've got the icing shingles. You know, like when those like scary
so.
ice spikes
Come down and like
Yeah.
sever people?
they kill people? That's
In
my biggest
Toronto,
fear.
they would close blocks down because the skyscrapers would have like these like 10-foot icicles
Nope.
hanging down that would come from like 60 stories above, and it was like a major thing.
That's like Canada being like, oh, let's keep people alive. Because like in New York, they'd be like, watch your step.
Yo, open your umbrella.
Make sure you look up, dummy.
Okay, I'm ready to reveal.
Same.
3, 2, 1. Wow. Wow. Yo, these look good.
Thank you so much.
That was a great idea. I love him. He looks great.
Yeah, I just kind of moved him around.
I was really working on the front, but that doesn't look so. Tell me I didn't choose green and red.
Dang.
Oh yeah.
Wow,
That
wow.
is so good.
Wow, you really did get a lot done. I'm impressed. It's not the worst.
It's not the worst. It's
No.
really not.
Dang.
Yeah, those look good.
Mine's a little sadder, but still
Still beautiful.
fun. This is just like a minimalist guy.
Yeah, minimalist guy. Doesn't need a lot of stuff. Not encumbered.
Yeah, he's like a hipster.
Yeah.
He's a hipster,
hipster.
gingerbread boy. Goes to like high-end coffee places, plays like an irreverent instrument. It's like trying to bring back the banjo.
Oh yeah, or like xylophone or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna play a quick set. Doom, 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 doom. Rugrats. Look at you.
I am
You are amazing.
covered.
That's amazing.
I don't know how this happened. I've decided that I would like to do this blindfolded.
That's like a little red alarm.
We should sound the alarm because this is
This is ratchet.
this is not good. I don't think there's any help in this. I think this is as good as it's gonna get.
Well, you have high standards because you're the queen, but me is just a sad jester in the kingdom of DIY thinks that this is pretty special and we should keep going.
Well, I love the optimism.
Thank you so much.
We got like a slide. Yeah. Fire escape.
It's fire escape, yeah.
Wow, I want to live on your side of the house.
Dang, this is fun over here. And this is just like a little...
Like the ball pit.
Yeah, it's a ball pit.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this blindfolded gingerbread house challenge. Let me know if you think it was a fail or a success. You know, I actually made a few dangling icicles back here.
You really did.
Yeah, on purpose.
You guys can't see it, but it's gorgeous.
It's back here. We filmed a video, a DIY for his baby who is soon entering the world.
They're gonna be so lucky. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. We're gonna be surprised. So we went with a nice like unisex inspired shoe.
Very
collab.
neutral. So that'll be linked in the down bar below if you guys want to go check out that. If you haven't checked out last Wednesday's weekly vlog, that'll be linked in the down bar below. And I will see you guys on Sunday for another Sunday. Wow!
Wow. Happy Sunday. Happy life.
Happy life.
Yeah.
Good end. Okay.
Thank you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
DIY